Meet Fieldscope, the only tool you need to enhance your maintenance operations. It's easy to achieve excellence in the field. Every detail of every production, maintenance, and transportation process is easily accessible and manageable. Let AI do the hard work for you. Our powerful AI module helps drive productivity via assigning the right teams to the right territory and automating routine work. Improve your maintenance processes by creating custom work scenarios and forms with the intuitive and user-friendly Form Designer. With the Workflow Builder, you can create workflow assignments and include external companies to your processes to make sure expenses are always calculated right. Automatically detect abnormalities concerning your assets with the help of AI. Geofencing capabilities ensure every task is completed at the right location. Gamification promotes engagement while making work fun. The intuitive user interface of the mobile app with its cutting-edge technology allows working online and offline. Manage and monitor your field team's tasks and performance in real time with the advanced supervisor functionality. Design and print documents to the smallest detail. Document Designer enables you to streamline your process of creating documents and certifications. The maintenance templates provide interactive dashboards that will let you track all of your variables from a compact location from the beginning. Kickstart your next-generation field force automation journey and grow your business now.